Today I have an unboxing for you, but it's really much more than that because I also have, let's see, at least three items to reveal, and then three others that you may or may not have seen before. I don't remember. But they're all a color that I've fallen in love with, and I had to have all these pieces, so I got them. Stay tuned, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Hi YouTube, Autumn Beckman here. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My channel is all about luxury living on a budget, from high-end luxury handbags and small goods to the everyday luxuries of life. If that sounds interesting to you, please make sure you subscribe, click the bell notification icon to be notified when I post new videos, and be sure to like the videos that you enjoy. And one of the perks of subscribing to my channel is you get to see my community post on your YouTube homepage, where I post deals, discount codes, sales, and rare finds related to these beautiful things we love. Should I do the unboxing first or the reveal first? I think I'll do the unboxing first because the reveal and then the other pieces, I have 2 bags and the rest are small goods, by the way. I should have said that up front. I think the extra pieces are even better than the thing I'm unboxing, so let's get to the unboxing first. I already had it cut open, so we're just gonna open the box. I've actually had this box for probably 2 months. It's been sitting here and I've been too busy to be able to do anything with it. There's a card here from Portland Leather Goods, and then there's a card from the seller I purchased it from. Let's see what this is. It has leaves and some gold printing, very pretty. Thank you for the purchase. I hope you enjoy your new bag, from Meg. Thank you, Meg. I'm sure I will enjoy it. Take the tissue paper away, and it reveals this. This is a mini crossbody tote from Portland Leather Goods, and it's in the color Indigo. I'll bring it closer. Bring it very close so you can see the color. I love Indigo because it's not opaque. It has all this variation of color. I think you can see the, ooh, yeah, look at the back. You can see it really good there. And it's beautiful. It's a smooth leather. It's gorgeous. Let me give you a look at the whole bag now. So there it is. And there it is. The back, the side, the front with the big pocket, the bottom, and then of course it's stuffed. And it has the crossbody strap. Oh, and this one has a zipper. I forgot about that. Fantastic. And it smells very strongly of leather. I think Meg may have gotten this in a mystery box and didn't want it because it looks like it's brand new and it smells like it's brand new. It has lots of veining on the back too. I don't know if you could tell that earlier, which I love, because you know their leathers, they don't do a whole lot to them other than color them, like dye them. So you see a lot of the natural hide marks, and I love it. Okay, let me show you the other bag that I got. And again, I purchased this Preloved. It is this, the large tote, no zipper, with the tandles. And I have the honey luggage tag with, I'll bring it closer, with the Mount Hood stamp with the pine trees. That's also from Portland Leather Goods. That is beautiful. Look at this leather. I love it so much. And I think the tandles are beautiful with this blue too. Gorgeous. Now this does have more pebbling. Let me bring it closer again. You can see especially down in this corner, so that shows you some of the variation in the leather that you can get from Portland Leather Goods, so make sure you're aware of that when you're shopping, that sometimes the same color can look really smooth or it can be pebbled. Now speaking of that variation, oh, I should show you the inside first just in case you've never seen the inside of one of these bags. It has this big pocket here with the Portland Leather Goods stamp, and then it's open there, and of course these leathers are just the raw suede on the inside. But yeah, it's just a big open cavernous space inside. I love these. Keep in mind with the leather totes, especially the larger sizes, they can be a bit heavy because they're all leather. So speaking of the variation in the leather, I got this in a mystery box, and I want to show you something because I have been calling it Indigo in other videos. But when you hold it up to what I know is Indigo, it's not the same color. And you do get some color variation sometimes across Portland Leather Goods, but I think not this much in one color. So I've been doing some research, and I think that this may be Bluebell, not Indigo. Bluebell is much harder to find than Indigo. It's also beautiful. I also love it. Do I need both of them in bags? Probably not, but maybe someday. I also have this little piece. And by the way, not everything I show you today will be Indigo, so stay tuned for a couple more pieces in other colors. But this is a daisy wallet, and if I remember correctly, and I'm pretty sure I'm right, I got this in a mystery box, because I don't think you can buy Indigo online ever, maybe? I don't know. I'm not sure. These days, anyway. So it looks like this. Now, if you want to use this for cards, it's tight, but you can make it work for a few cards, and it'll stretch out over time. So that's another Indigo piece I have. And my final Indigo piece, but there are other pieces coming, is this one. This is the little taco pouch. You can buy taco pouches on the website. You can buy the Daisy wallet and those 2 bags on the website too. You just can't get them in this color. I love the big tassel, and you just open that up and it looks like that inside. I use this to keep my bulky key fob inside a large tote like that, because in a tote this big it's easy to lose your keys, and sometimes in these totes when you put something heavy like keys in this pocket, it can weigh the bag down, especially when you put it down it can fall over. So I like to have it in a pouch, throw that in there, really easy to find, especially with that tassel on it. That makes it so easy to find even when you're not looking in the bag, and that works great. Now speaking of tacos, I also have this. This is the taco keychain. Isn't it adorable? It's tiny. I think this may be the color nutmeg, but I'm not entirely sure. It has a zipper here and it opens up. Take that out. Whoops, what's that? Oh, it's the tag, because I got this at the outlet when I was visiting. There's the inside, and it has this clip. You can clip it to your bag as a bag charm. Or I forgot to show you, these totes have this thing here. It's a little piece of leather with a snap on it, so you could attach your keys there. But again, it tends to fall over. But you could attach the little taco in there with some change or something small that you need to access. But when I did my video recently where I was up in Portland at the Portland Leather Goods outlet, and I gave you a tour of the outlet, a lot of people asked in the comment section, rightfully so because I completely forgot to mention it in the video. People asked what it was I bought. This is the only thing I left with, and guess what? I didn't even buy it, and no, I didn't steal it either. When I was intending to buy it, and when I went up to the counter to purchase it, I also told the lady at the counter that I was an affiliate with Portland Leather Goods, and I had my camera with me, and I asked if it would be okay to film. And she said yes, and since you're an affiliate, just take this. It was $16. It doesn't cost them that much to make. But I thought that was super nice. I was not expecting it, and that's of course not why I mentioned being an affiliate. I was just asking about filming. I fully intended to pay for this, but that's what I got from the outlet. But I was going to show you something else too, compare these two. Just a really quick size comparison side by side so you can see how much smaller the mini one is. There they are, and there's the side. All right, I have one more thing to show you. I'm throwing things off the table. Every time I pick something up, something else flies off. Okay, I have one more thing to show you. This has turned out to be, surprisingly, one of my favorite items from Portland Leather Goods. So I have several in several different colors now. And this is a color that I wasn't sure about, but I picked it up and it turned out I really like it. I ordered it straight from the website. I think these are still available. If they are, I will link it below, of course, as with everything else. And it's this. This is the makeup case. Now they have some other cosmetic cases that are domed, like the Eclipse and a few others, but this one has turned out to be my favorite style. So it's kind of trapezoidal, and then it has this zipper. Now I thought having the zipper on the side instead of just right across the top would be a really weird thing, but it actually is really handy because you can kind of pick it up like this when it's open, and I don't know, it just works really well. And you can still fit taller things in there if you need to, but that's what that looks like. And I have completely forgotten the name of this color, so let me look it up real quick. Okay, it's called Sunflower. Now what drew me to this is it looks online, and in some pictures that you see, it kind of looks like vachetta. And I think that's basically what it is, but it does have some extra yellow added to it. And I wanted to show this to you in this video because these go so well together. Just like in my shirt here, I've got blue and yellow. They just look beautiful together, so I'm going to use them together. Okay. Looking around for vachetta, and this is the closest thing. So here's a comparison. Now this Louis Vuitton vachetta is still pretty light on my bag, but there you go. So it definitely has more yellow color to it. And it's a smooth leather, and on this one you can see veining in it, which I love. I think that's beautiful. And it's not too bright a yellow either. It's not muted, but it's like a natural leather, natural yellow. I don't know how to describe it quite, but it's really nice. And it feels like vachetta. It has that smooth, non-waxy, not treated kind of feel to it. Anyway, for anybody else who may have been wondering about this, I wanted to share that. also love the makeup pouch style. And that's everything I have to show you today. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it. Hope to see you back here next time, and I hope you have a fantastic day. Bye.